Hi critical thinkers, welcome to a video on Unit 3, Drama. You have completed Units 1 and 2 by this point, if you are watching this or you're just ahead of the game. Either way, I'm just going to do a little quick snapshot of Drama. If you just glance at it, you can see that we have 4 discussions for this unit. As you know, each discussion is packed, filled with goodies just for you. We have our journal log, we have our quiz, and then we have our essay number 3, if that's an option for you. Our first discussion here is asking you to read the play. We have a few links for Fences by August Wilson. We have an introduction to the concepts and literary terms for plays, for drama, which provides an overview and history of drama, which is kind of cool to learn about if you haven't already, or to deepen your knowledge of that so you have a better understanding of the performance aspect of drama. And so for this discussion, you're going to be going over this reader and then sharing something that you learned or a golden line that captured your attention. For discussion number 2, you will read the play. This is the one where you're reading the play. You have some options here, and you're going to post a thoughtful response to the play itself by connecting to the concepts of drama. You have options here for what you want to post. If you want to look at the hero's journey, if you want to post a picture of your annotations or journals on the play, or a cluster of each act, totally up to you. Really just engaging with those reading and writing strategies, and then sharing the wealth of your experience and your knowledge, or what you gleaned from reading the play and taking notes and engaging. The next discussion is you have options for different sources, different academic and other responses or sources in connection with August Wilson's play, and you can take notes. There's the Reconsidering August Wilson by Jonathan Leaf. There's Kanye West suggests African-American slavery was a choice, along with an interview. There is Childish Gambino. This is America official video. There's a Viola Davis tweet on YouTube regarding systematic racism. And then last but not least is 8 Black Ivy League students explain why Black Lives Matter. It's a conversation. And so that's quite fascinating. So your task here is to pick one article or source, really engage with it deeply, and then explain why you picked that source and what golden line or what stirred you from it, and just really to engage in discussion here. And then the last discussion, as we typically do in each of our units that we have done, is thinking about essay number 3 and how you would like to approach it should you choose to write essay number 3. So again, you're going to try the discussion even if you're not officially writing essay number 3. You're going to pretend and play in a low-stakes kind of way, just engaging with ideas and offering some feedback to classmates who are going to be writing essay number 3. And you have some options for how you can respond to the play itself. So those are the discussions for the unit. And then, as usual, you have the journal log for Fences. In this one, I'm asking you to choose 5 quotes from any of the scenes, and then do what you normally do, which is share a quote from the play in MLA format. The formatting for a play looks a little bit different. You have the act and the scene and the page numbers there. If you don't have access to those, you can put August Wilson and the page number. So that's our journal log. Next is our quiz, which is looking at those concepts from play or drama. Just to give you a little idea of what it looks like, I'm going to just show you. Again, the packet is super helpful. You have double time on the quiz, and you have a few opportunities to take it, a few chances. But really, you're just following the language and the sentencing from the packet itself. So this is what it looks like. And then again, the very last thing is essay number 3. Once again, you have options for that should you choose to write it. So that is Unit 3, Drama in a nutshell. I hope it helps.